searching so long in this world, trying to find someone who could be what my picture of love was to me. And you came along. When I saw you, I knew